Guo Huaping, this committee has unmasked you as a Chinese national, mocking our Filipino identity to amass wealth and commit crimes against true Filipinos. But I leave your fate, Ms. Guo, up to the courts. And I look forward to the day you face justice. Masaya nga akong wala ka rito dahil kwes na ang kaharap mo. We abide by the rule of law in this country. And these hearings were never a trial for your crimes. The same goes for your co-conspirators and bad actors. What was on trial here, however, was our very system of laws and policies which allowed these travesties to go unchecked and to fester. This may be the end of our hearings on POGO, but this is only the beginning of the legislative reforms that we will strive to push to ensure that every Filipino, that there will never be another Alice Guo. Guo Huaping, sisiguraduhin ko na hindi ka na makakaulit dito. At matututo ang lahat sa gagawin sa'yo. Additionally, the arrest order of Alice Guo or Guo Huaping is quashed.